Ever feel like you're just another face in the financial crowd? Working hard, paying the bills. But your net worth just doesn't seem to impress anyone, least of all yourself. Well, take a cue from the animal kingdom. The peacock, with its stunning plumage, knows a thing or two about putting on a show. And in the world of finance, a strong net worth can be just as eye-catching. Welcome to Nature's Academy, where we learn valuable financial lessons from the creatures around us. Today's topic: the peacock's display, building a show-stopping net worth. The peacock's elaborate display isn't just about beauty. It's a signal of strength, health, and good genes. Similarly, a strong net worth tells a story of financial responsibility, planning, and achieving your goals. Just like a peacock takes care of its feathers, you need to take care of your financial health. This means managing your credit score, building a solid emergency fund, and exploring smart investment options. A good net worth is like a well-maintained peacock display. It shows you're ready to take on the world. And the good news: building a strong net worth is within your reach. There are plenty of resources available to help you get started. Consider talking to a financial advisor tailored to your needs. They can be your personal financial stylist to help you craft a plan that makes a statement. Now, hold on a minute. The peacock's display might be flashy, but it's not just for show. Those feathers take time and energy to grow. Just like building a strong net worth takes dedication and consistent effort. Don't fall for quick fixes or get discouraged if your net worth doesn't skyrocket overnight. Focus on building long-term wealth through smart budgeting, responsible saving, and investing for the future. Remember, a truly impressive net worth is built on a solid foundation. Just like a healthy peacock needs strong legs to support its dazzling display, technology can be your friend here. Utilize budgeting apps or online tools to track your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Every dollar saved is a dollar you can invest in your future and, ultimately, your financial plumage. Just like peacocks come in a variety of colors and patterns, your financial journey will be unique. Don't compare yourself to others or feel pressured to follow a one-size-fits-all approach. Find what works for you, educate yourself, seek professional advice if needed, and don't be afraid to experiment with different financial strategies. The key is to develop a financial plan that reflects your goals, values, and risk tolerance. With a strong net worth as your foundation, you can finally spread your financial wings and take flight. This could mean achieving financial independence, pursuing a passion project, or simply having the peace of mind that comes with financial security. A show-stopping net worth isn't just about numbers on a page. It's about the freedom and opportunities it unlocks. Imagine finally taking the dream vacation, starting your own business, or spending more quality time with loved ones without financial worry. Remember, building a strong net worth is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs along the way. Just like a peacock's feathers may get ruffled by the wind. But by following these tips and staying committed to your financial goals, you can create a future you're truly proud of. So, take inspiration from the peacock's dazzling display. Polish your financial presentation, build a strong foundation, and own your unique financial journey with dedication and effort. You too can create a show-stopping net worth that allows you to strut your stuff with confidence. Want to learn more about unleashing your inner financial peacock? Subscribe to Nature's Academy for new videos packed with animal-inspired financial wisdom. We also love hearing from our viewers. Leave a comment below with your favorite financial tip, or tell us what kind of financial creatures you'd like to see featured next. Thanks for joining us on this financial adventure. Until next time, keep growing your wealth and spreading your wings.